Hi, so we are going to make nettle soup. Ready? Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna get 1/2 to 1 bunch of asparagus, 1 scallion or green onion, 1/2 cup to 1 cup of mushrooms. So right here I have some shiitake and some maitake, but you can use any kind of mushroom. 1/2 teaspoon of coriander and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, 2 cups of fresh nettles. And we'll add 1 to 2 tablespoons of miso, and at the very end we'll add our liquid. And your liquid can be water or it can be any kind of broth. I have this 1.5 cups to 2 cups of bone broth here that I've made. This is 1.5 cups of broth, and I'll be adding probably another 1/2 cup of water. I'm just going to chop up the scallion. Yeah, so the thing is if you don't have nettles, it's okay. You can use spinach or chard or kale or whatever kind of leafy green that you have, okay? So I put the asparagus and scallion in there, and I put a little bit of water, a little bit, shiitake, maitake mushrooms, putting that in here. Just a little bit of cumin, even like 1/4 teaspoon. And then 1/2 teaspoon of coriander. Give that a good stir. So what I need to do is get my 2 cups of nettles in there, right? I've already cut some up for you, but here's what cutting up nettles looks like. You can chop them with a knife, but what I do is I just take them, just chop them like this. And then I just come in here. And so, yeah, you got to be careful. The nettles can definitely sting you. These were harvested about 3 days ago, and they've been in the refrigerator. And after you harvest them, they can last in the refrigerator for about 3 to 5 days fresh. Okay, so I am going to take 2 cups of these nettles. Well, let's see. And we're going to put my nettles. And I've got a little bit more than 2 cups. So as always, you know me, I'm always changing the recipe. So we're going to do 4 cups of nettles. Just because I've got them. Just stir that around, get things, we can put a little bit more water or broth in here. Okay, can you see that? It's starting to look good. So see how quick and easy this is? And the thing about nettles is it's so nutritious. It's a superfood. It's nutrient dense. Calcium, magnesium, potassium, manganese, iron. You know, and it really just helps to diversify your nutrition. You know, it's one of the spring greens, full of nutrition. It's a mild diuretic. It's good for the kidneys, good for the blood. So you can use any kind of blender. You can use a Vitamix, a blender. I have a NutriBullet. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of my miso, 1 cup of bone broth. You can use just plain water. And I'm going to spoon this in. Okay, so the other thing, you don't have to add an avocado to this, but the avocado really, it's just, just like 1/2 an avocado just takes this soup to another level. What's wrong with my bullet? Now is not a good time for you to act up. Okay, plan B. There we go. All right, there we go. Oh my gosh. This is my favorite food right now. We're going to decorate it, right? Put a little dianthus flowers, some calendula flowers. So, there you go. What do you think? Bon appetit.